Yes, good morning, YouTubers. Yeah, man, I just reach, upon the Falmouth Halfmoon Bay Beach, Yeah, man, just reach, brother. Yeah, man. Big up my General Kirky. Every morning, I have to drink Kirky porridge, brother. Yeah, man, it's a 1 hour. A bulk this morning now. This is for me, and this is for Tweety. Tweety soon pass through. Tweety soon pass through, brother. As you know, see boy, I do some little. Yeah, man, look a video alone, Me alone and my father down here, Papa Jesus, Yeah, man, I'm and Jesus alone there, man. Then time, yeah, man. Then time, at the best time to come to beach. In a sense. Early morning time, nice, Early morning time, nice, but them time, man, everybody, early people, them gone. I just me alone. And God. They are from the beach. I know me alone and my father. Jesus. Some people call him Jesus, but yeah, man, with the Jesus me call him still, same person, same way. Yes, Aya. Yeah, man. You see the place was calm and nice, because the water was calm. You have more time you come on and say, brother, the water was dirty, man, you see it's rough, But that was pure tranquility right now. Yeah, man. So what I say now, because I'm not getting too long, because I do one 10 minutes video a while ago, up a courthouse, Yeah, video the pair, and it's kind of long, so I'll post the one day, and I'll post the one, I'll make this one look 5 minutes. Yeah, man. At least 5 minutes. Yeah, man, because I have to big up some people, And first and foremost, you see it. Although it gone over the weekend, man, but I just show me start out certain things, and I start my YouTube channel, That's why I big them up it, Really have to big up the two Muschett athlete them. Yeah, man. And mash up champs. Yeah, man, I know the girl name and the boy name, but me I tell you, boy, I feel proud. But you me truly hear me talk about Neva and Stets. This man love Muschett same way. Can you see the one Muschett that take pictures, and Muschett, see all the Muschett pass D Cup players them. Big up on yourself. Come here that pan see pan camera where Muschett reach interzone round at the Dakar Cup. Yeah, man, for the first time. Yeah, man. With Zidane and all of the man them. You understand? The man them so me can, yeah, man, all of the man them, man, Zidane and the crew. Yeah, man. So all of me I say now, me want big up the two Muschett athlete them. Because remember say, as a Charlie Black say, a Chilana we come from. Yeah, man. Chilana have produced so many talented sportsmen and women and musicians. Yeah, man. And give to the world. Enough things me want to touch, Enough topic me want to touch, But basically this morning I have to big up the two Muschett students them. The poor Muschett. Them two Muschett athletes, they don't have no chevron to run pan. A grass them I run pan. Imagine if them have somewhere at Chilani where they gonna get time to run pan chevron. Eh? If them athletes don't have time gonna get some chevron for run pan. You see it? I mean see it. So big up them two Muschett athlete there. And big see it. Me know Mattis' name and big up Mattis van Nib. And big up all the Nib school athlete them. Win and lose. Yeah, man. Who present the ignorance enslave and knowledge liberate. And big up all the states athlete them same man. Yeah, man. Hard work and integrity. Abby, I saw it go. You have another year. I say go Abby, me feel the face still in my film, but I say go. Yeah man. So big up all the states athletes them same way too. I'm giving the best. Because we don't have no access. You won't pan on Chevron neither. Because if you compete against all them athletes, they have privilege to train on the officially running track. And I say big up all the Western Jamaica schools them will take part in the boys and girls champs. In a seat. All the schools in from the West. Because I know say boy are trying the best. Because for about 4 or 5 years now them in a seat. Catching all can't fix. The only truck on have the Chevron, he can't fix, he can't repair all now. And then turn the truck in a seat. In a car race thing. Into Vernon field. And when man talk certain things, when I talk about politics. Politics. But this is no politics, this is reality. This is no propaganda. Because I see it on my TVJ news. Because it's me now, brother. You know, see it. Only thing I watch on TVJ, no, brother. And news, you know. Nothing else, you know. As news and sports news, you know. And like on my TV, you know. Nothing else I watch on TV, you know. Just news and sports news to get information what going on in the country. Yeah, man. All no catching all can fix up. So I big up all the Western Jamaica schools them who compete at champs. I'm giving the best. I'm proud of one. I'm proud of one because right now a long time couldn't get no chance to win on Chevron. Long time I can't watch Milo Williams. It keep a GC faster. I mean I got them place there. You know see it. I not even want to go back to Western champs again. If you don't keep a catching all. Yeah man, if Western champs don't keep a catching all man, I no fees go back to Western champs. Big up states still, you know. You see it. Big up states sports complex. But no brother, a full time now Western champs, you know man, if they back a catching all. Me the Prime Minister say boy, enough thing ever talk, me have nothing to talk about. And it's not nothing to have to do with politics, you know. You know, see, this is a thing I have to deal with the youths of Jamaica. You know, see, me is a sports advocate. You know, see, and a music advocate. I love sports, I love music with a passion. And that my YouTube channel is all about for right now. Yeah, man. So I say, big up the two Muschett athletes them. And big up the Muschett coach. Me generally have done well. And big up the school coach, Mr. Miles, have done well. And big up the state coaches, the state coaching staff. Mr. Jarrett, the whole of one. Taya, the whole of one. We're down there. Yeah, man. Bigging up same way. In a seat. Because I grass in a train pan, I grass in a run pan. In a seat. And then I have to compete against the Kingston and St. John schools and St. Catherine schools. But them have them access in a seat. Yeah, for Chevron. So, that's that I want to say now. And again, before me close, big up Charlie Blacks. Chilana we come from. Big up Queenland. Chilana we come from. You know who in Queenland? Okay, a farmer nip track star brother. And an entertainer. So yes, Aya. A Chilana we come from. But it's a video good I'll pass the limit. I say I'm going to post it still. So who want to watch it and you want to subscribe and subscribe. But I just say go. Yeah man. That's say go. Yes, you can watch it and you can subscribe. You must close off for now. You go drink my quirky porridge. Yeah man. And take a swim. Yeah man, go back home. I'm out. Yes. Yeah man. Yeah man, the voice of Bed Miller. Sign off for now. Yeah.